Can pop-up drink stands sell DIY boba kits? Yes, they usually can, but they must follow local food permits, safety rules, packaging requirements, and labeling laws. A pop-up drink stand can sell a kit containing items such as tea, uncooked tapioca pearls, flavoring, cups, straws, and instructions. The exact rules depend on your city, county, and state, so check with the local health department before selling anything. A kit with dry ingredients may be treated differently from a kit containing prepared tea, milk, fruit, or cooked pearls. Cooked tapioca pearls can become unsafe or lose their quality after only a few hours, especially when kept warm or at room temperature. This is important because many people think sugar preserves boba, but it does not reliably prevent harmful bacteria from growing. Every package should list ingredients, common allergens such as milk or soy, storage directions, preparation steps, and a use-by date when required. A lesser-known issue is that some sealed ingredients still need temperature control during transport, even if the finished kit looks shelf-stable. To make the kit safer, keep ingredients sealed, separate dry and wet items, use clean packaging, and tell customers exactly how to refrigerate, cook, and use each part. A common mistake is selling prepared tea or cooked pearls without checking whether the stand has permission to handle those foods, so ask the health department first. Another mistake is forgetting allergy information, so list every ingredient and warn customers about shared equipment when needed. Some sellers also assume a home kitchen is automatically approved for commercial kits, but many places require an approved kitchen, so confirm the rule before preparing products at home. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bhomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobItTier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.